The corona pandemic has upended our lives and changed the way we communicate with the outside world. Terms like social distancing, quarantine, isolation, masking are a part of our regular vocabulary. The word has changed and it is slowly adopting to the new reality. The Indian education sector was forced to embrace this new word with the onset of the pandemic. While the technology was already available, the regulators, as usual, were reluctant and apprehensive of change. It took a global pandemic for UGC to recognize the potential and the need of online education. New regulations were passed and many institutions were allowed to offer online courses. Today, if you want to pursue an online undergraduate degree in India, you have plenty of options. While few institutions are already offering their programs online, many more are in the process of creating the infrastructure to begin online courses. In this video, we will talk about various undergraduate options for humanities and commerce students. First on our list is Amity Online. Amity University was the first Indian institute to offer full-fledged undergraduate and postgraduate online courses. I have done my undergraduate degree from Amity Online and I have already made a detailed video about it, so you can check that out. Amity University offers multiple undergraduate degrees for commerce and humanities students. You can opt for BA with a specialization in English, economics, political science or sociology. The fee for BA course is 25,000 per semester. Amity also offers BA program in Hindi medium with a substantially reduced fee of 5,000 per semester. Next, you have the option of pursuing BCom, which will cost you 25,000 per semester. BCom course is also offered in Hindi medium with a reduced fee of 5,000 per semester. If mass communication fascinates you, you have the option of BA Journalism and Mass Communication. The fee for this course is as follows. If you are interested in management courses, Amity Online offers two options, BBA and BA Tourism Administration. The BBA course will cost you 41,700 per semester and offers a specialization in data science. The BA Tourism Administration course is priced at 36,700 per semester. Amity offers 20% scholarships for various categories, so you should check it out if you are interested in applying at Amity Online. The admissions are open throughout the year and depending on your time of application, you will get either the January or the June session. Chandigarh University offers BBA and BA degree programs in collaboration with Upgrad. Chandigarh University is a UGC recognized private university which is eligible to offer various online programs. Now the problem with these courses are that they keep appearing and disappearing from the Upgrad website. Currently, Chandigarh University offers a unique BBA program where you can complete your second and third year in Australia. The fee for the first year is 2,56,000, while the year 2 and 3 will approximately cost you 30 lakhs per annum. Next is Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, which offers a BBA program through Upgrad. The course fee is 25,000 per semester. The course offers the following 5 electives and you will have the option of attaining various certifications. Next is Bharati Vidyapeeth, which offers a BBA program. The course fee is $75,000 for the entire duration. The BBA program is offered in 2 sessions, January and June. If you are interested in the course, you can apply through the official website bharatividyapeethonline.com. Jamia Hamdard is one of the most reputed institutions in India, and it currently offers BBA and BCom courses through online mode. The fee for both the courses is $14,500 per semester. Manipal University offers a 3-year BBA program for which you will need to pay $16,500 per semester. To apply for this course, you need to go to onlinemanipal.com. Next up is SRM Institute of Science and Technology, which offers a BBA program with the specialization in digital marketing. The course fee is $43,000 per year, and you can apply through srmonline.in. University of Mysore offers BBA and BCom programs through online mode. Unfortunately, not much information is available about these programs, so you need to contact the university regarding fees and other information. Graphic Era offers UGC recognized BBA and BCom programs. The course fee for both the programs is $25,000 per year. You can apply for the courses at distance.geu.ac.in. AMU offers online BCom course for which you need to pay $5,300 per year. You can apply through the website amuict.in. While going through the website, I noticed that the application form is not functional at the moment. I hope the error is rectified soon. These were some of the institutes currently offering online undergraduate courses in India. Remember, this is not a complete list. To check the complete list of eligible institutions in India, check the description below. Many of these institutes are still working on the programs, and hopefully we will see many more colleges and universities online in future. I hope you like this video. If you have any comments or feedback, hit me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.